Hello everyone, today I am going to speak on the recommendations of the Sarkaria Commission regarding the governor's role in inviting a political party to form the government in a state. The Sarkaria Commission was set up in 1983 by the Government of India to study center-state relations and suggest reforms for improving the federal structure of the country. One of the most significant issues discussed by the Commission was the discretionary power of the governor during government formation, especially in situations where no political party secures a clear majority in the Legislative Assembly. In India's parliamentary system, the governor is the constitutional head of the state and is expected to function impartially. However, in many cases of hung assemblies, controversies arose over which party should be invited to form the government. To prevent political bias and misuse of constitutional authority, the Sarkaria Commission provided important recommendations and guidelines. According to the Commission, the governor should follow a specific order of preference while inviting a party to form the government. First, preference should be given to a pre-poll alliance or coalition that commands a clear majority in the assembly. Second, the governor may invite the largest party if it is able to secure the support of the other parties or independent members. Third, a post-election coalition in which all partners participate in the government should be considered. Lastly, a post-election alliance where some parties provide only outside support may be invited to form the government. The Commission also emphasized that the governor must remain politically neutral and should not act under pressure from the central government. It recommended that the governor should not make arbitrary decisions regarding majority support. Instead, the actual majority must be tested on the floor of the Legislative Assembly through a floor test. This ensures transparency, fairness, and respect for democratic principles. These recommendations are extremely important because they strengthen Indian federalism and reduce political instability in states. They help ensure that elected representatives, rather than the governor's personal discretion, determine who forms the government. Over the years, the Supreme Court of India has also referred to these principles in several landmark judgments related to government formation and floor tests. So, in conclusion, the recommendations of the Sarkaria Commission have played a vital role in guiding governors and protecting democratic values in India. By promoting neutrality, constitutional morality, and transparency, these recommendations continue to safeguard the spirit of the Indian Constitution and strengthen the functioning of parliamentary democracy. Thank you so much for watching the video.